I hope you all are fine and great at home. Okay. Today we are going to study an interesting topic, that is emotions, feelings. You know, throughout the day we go different types of emotions. Yes, different types of emotion. Today I am going to teach you the feelings. Before starting that, we will say one rhyme. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hand. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hand. Come on, you clap your hand. If you are happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hand. Clap your hand. If you are happy and you know it. If you are happy and you know it, touch your cheeks. If you are happy and you know it, touch your cheeks. If you are happy and you know it and you really want to show it, and if you are happy, know it, touch your cheeks. If you are happy and you say it, say hooray, hooray. If you are happy, say it, hooray, hooray. If you are happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you are happy and you say it, say hooray, hooray. You like the poem? Yes? You like? Okay, now I will show you some faces. Now see this face, big face, circle face. Yes, he is having big eyes and big smile. So what he is? He is happy face. Which face it is? Happy. When your mother tell you that she is preparing very yummy food for you, and you will be very happy. And your mother will tell you, don't do study, go and play. Then you will be very happy. Yes, if you will happy, how you will do? You will make a big smile. Happy. See the smile. See this smile is happy, no? Yes, he is happy. This is first emotion. Okay. Next is angry. See this face. How he is doing? Is very angry, no? See his eyes, see his face, see his mouth. How he is very angry. If mother scolded you, then you will be very angry, na? Yes, you will be very angry. Our mother has scolded me. You will be very angry. If your friend has taken some your toys, yeah, then what you will do? You will be very angry. So he is angry. Now we will see the third feelings now. What is? Now he is smiling, then he is crying. He is crying. See his eyes, see his face. He is very crying. He is crying now. If your mother will tell, don't take that chocolate, you have not to eat that chocolate, and what you will do? You will cry. No, mama, I want that chocolate. I want that chocolate. You will cry now. Yes, you cry. See, he is crying. Yes, he is crying. See his face, see his eyes. He is starting crying. Okay, children. Next is sad. Next is sad. When you will sad? Tell me when you will sad. आप कब sad होते हो? Yes. When you will sad. If your mother tell, we will not go for a picnic, we will sit today at home only. हमको पिकनिक नहीं जाना, you will sit at home. Then you will be very sad. अरे no mama, we will go, no, we will go for picnic. So the smile is, see the face, he is smiling, no, he is crying, and he is sad. Okay. Now there are different types of emotions, feelings. So we will study that. You have to remove the book of wellness. I will show the book. See, my first step with Cambridge, book of wellness. You are having this book, you have to remove this book. Okay. Come on, remove this book. Now, see here. This girl is happy. She is happy. Yes, she is very happy. You see her face. See how she is smiling. She is very happy. Okay. Next is sad. The boy is sad. Why is sad? Because no friends has came to play with him. So the boy is sad. He is sitting alone and he has become very sad. No friends has come to play with me. What should I do? That's why the boy has become sad and is sitting alone. So which feeling it is? Sad. Next is what? Next is scared. See this boy how he is sitting is very scared. Why? Yes, आप कब डरते हो? When the light will go at home, full of darkness will be there in the room. So you will be very scared. You will be very scared if the darkness will be there, nobody will be there at home. See how this boy has taken one cloth and sitting under that cloth and is very scared. Okay? When the darkness you see, if the light will go, you will be very scared. Okay? Happy, sad, scared. Have you understood this feeling 3? Okay. Next one. What is this boy? See his face? He is very angry. Why is angry? Yes. The friend, if your friend will take your ball from your hand, you will be very angry, no? Yes. So see, this boy is angry. For what he is angry? His friend has taken his ball while playing. So he is very angry. That boy, my friend has taken my ball from my hand. So he is very angry. And what is a confused? She is confused. Confused means what? Confused means what? Yes. If you play some game, you will be very confused. What to do? You will think in your mind now. You will be very confused. What we will do now? So it is confused. The girl is thinking someone. She is thinking something. So she is very confused of this game. What to do in this game? What to play? So she is very confused. Next is what? Worried. Next is what? Worried. Worried is what? Yes, worried is now some things has fallen from his hand. Yes, he was playing the football and one flower pot has broken. So he is very worried. If someone will shout, what I should do? So he is worried that someone will shout Baba at me because I have broken the flower pot. So he is very worried. Okay. Next feeling is tired. What do you mean by tired? Tired means what? Yes, if you play too much at home and outside you will feel very tired. जब आप ज़्यादा खेलते हो तो आपको खुद को क्या लगता है? You will feel very tired, very sleepy you feel. You will get full of tired. Your body start paining. Okay? This is also a feeling that is tired. Next is curious. You know what do you mean by curious? Curious means research. If you want to know what is that, I want to know it. That is mean of curious. Okay? Now see, that girl is seeing the bee, what it is. I want to search what it is. That is curiosity. Okay? Next is crying. You will cry. If your mama beat you, you will cry. Yes, you will cry, no? Yes. So, see, this boy is crying. If your mama and papa beat you, then what you will do? He will shout at you. What you will do? You will start crying. So, this boy is crying. Now, what we have studied the feelings, can you will tell? Happy, sad, scared, angry, confused, worried, tired, curious, crying. Okay?
Scared Tommy. My name is Tommy and I'm scared. Mama says it's okay to be scared.
Everybody gets scared.
What if there is a monster under my bed?
Then I will tell it to go away.
What if a whale swallows me at the beach?
Then your big sister, Kamo, and I will swim inside the whale's mouth to rescue you.
What if I can't say ABC and the other kids laugh at me?
Then Teacher Jill will help you remember.
Everybody gets scared. Mama says it's okay to be scared.
Now we have seen that video about scared. Now remove the next page. We will solve the worksheet. Okay. Remove the pencil, eraser. Come on, sharp your pencil. Now in this worksheet what we have to do? Match the situations with the feelings. Feelings one has been done for you. Now we have studied the feelings like happy, sad, scared, angry, confused, worried, tired, curious and crying. So that in these feelings I have shown, and which feeling is related to that we have to match it. Now see first one. Now the boy has opened the door and what he has seen? Something. So he is very scared. He is very scared. वो डर गया है. So we have matched to the scared. If you see someone unknown person, if you suddenly open the door and then you will be very scared. So see the boy is scared. Next is what? Can you tell me next is what? Yes, there is one boy and girl, and what they are doing? They are fighting. And what they see their face, how it is? They are smiling, they are happy. No, then what they are? They are very angry. Yes, we have to match here. When you will fight with your friend, you will be very angry, na? Yes, you will be very angry. He is fighting. He is very, very fighting with me. So we will be very angry. Okay. Next is this girl. What she is doing? She is very sad. She is very sad. See, she has taken the teddy and she has taken the teddy and she is very sad. So which face it is? Happy wala face? No, then sad. So we have to match the sad. Have you matched it? Okay. Next. See, the one girl is sitting and one dog is there. And what they are doing? Yes, the dog is near the girl and the girl is very happy. She is happy or crying? She is happy. So you have to match to the happy. Okay, in this worksheet what we have studied? The boy is scared, these are angry, this is very sad and she is happy. In this worksheet we have solved the worksheet. Now turn the page. Okay, how do you feel today? Now see, turn the page. Now there is one question. How do you feel today? And you have to color it. Okay. Can you recognize the face now? I have taught you, no? Come on, tell me which face it is. Smiling. Very good. And he is happy. Second is, yes, laughing. And next is, yes, next is angry. He is very angry. And this one is sad. So can you tell me today how you are feeling? But I will tell you, I am feeling very happy. And you? You also feeling happy? Okay, come on, we will color this. Come on, take the color. We will start the coloring. Come on, color. I like red color, okay? I will do the red color. Come on, color. I am very happy today. I am feeling very happy. Okay, and you also feeling very happy now? Okay, you color this smiley, this face. Very good. You have to color, huh? You have to color this smiley face, happy, happy face. You have to color. Are you doing with me? Okay, you have to do with the teacher. Done? Come on, color it. Very nice color you will do, okay? Okay, have you colored? You have to do the color because I am feeling today very happy. So you have to color happy face. Okay? Have you done? Do this, then we will go for next. Have you done? Okay, now turn the page. Okay, now see in this worksheet what you have to do? You have to print your thumb on the magnifying glass. Which glass it is? This glass is magnifying glass. On this magnifying glass, you have to give a thumb like this. Okay, this is your thumb. You have to print the thumb on the magnifying glass. Any color you will dip and you will paste your thumb on the magnifying glass. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, write your HW upside. This is your homework. Okay, have you done it? Okay, write this HW upside. And what you have to do? This is magnifying glass. You have to print your thumb on this magnifying glass like this. Okay, you have to take the color. Okay, watercolor. You have to thumb like this and you have to thumb here. You have to put your thumb in the color and you have to print here. This is your homework. Okay. Yes, children, today what we have studied? We have studied the feelings and very feelings we go throughout the day. You understood this concept? Yes, you understood this. Okay. You have to study this at home and you have to do that homework. We will see you in the next session. Bye.